My name is Maria Gazzouli. I am Assistant Professor of Molecular Biology in Medical School of National and Kapodistrian University of Athens. This new e-learning is focused on nanotechnology approaches for targeted drug delivery and advanced nanotherapeutics. With Associate Professor Evstathios Evstathopoulos, which is Professor of Medical and Radiation Physics, we are the academic responsible for this new e-learning. First of all, what is nanomedicine? Nanomedicine is a new and very promising area of nanotechnology. It's a control application of nanotechnology to achieve breakthroughs in healthcare. Since there are not a lot of education programs in this area, is worldwide demand to develop new training courses in the nanomedicine to cover all these issues. One of the main goals of nanomedicine is to help in the development of new, more efficient, targeted, and less toxic drugs. Thus, this new e-learning aims to introduce the nanotechnology approaches to develop target drugs delivery towards the more efficient, personalized medicine. This e-learning is suitable for all graduate students. The course duration is 10 weeks. A brief description of the topics that we will cover in this e-learning is the targeting strategies in drug delivery, if we have passive or active targeting, the strategies for control drug delivery, the challenges in the use of nanoformulations for drug delivery, the nanoparticulate and their application in drug delivery, how there are the problems that we face and how we can overcome these problems, the new nanosystems and their characteristics, what are the nanosimilars and which are the regulatory aspects for their use. We will speak about the polymeric systems for drug delivery and gene delivery also, like the hydrogels. We will focus on nanotechnology-based advanced therapeutics, like photothermal therapy or ultrasound-mediated therapy. Also, we will develop the nanotechnology-based theranostic, what is the mean of theranostic. And at the end, we will discuss the ethical issues and the future perspective of the use of nanomedicine. At the end, all the students, they will receive a diploma from the National and Kapodistrian University of Athens. Thank you for your attention.